how you can start cashing out. Yes, so inside your house, like I always do. Guys, do you know that you can start a home-based organization business? Hey besties, in today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can start to make money from home. Yes, from the comfort of your home. You don't need to take a transport, you don't need to drive anywhere, just right where you are. I'll be sharing with you how you can start cashing out. Yes, so inside your house, like I always do. So if you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you're meeting, where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you, you see me, and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. And yes, to all my Patreon members, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. God bless you real good. So yes, let's get right into today's business. Come with me, let's go. Guys, do you know that you can start a home-based organization business? Do you know that if you're someone that recognizes closets for fun, you can offer up your services, yes, to harried and disorganized people and businesses? Yes, so you don't need a degree to start an organization business. Yes, and it may not be so difficult to get clients. Yes, it is super easy to get clients. All you have to do is to create a simple website or Facebook group to advertise your services. You can also post ads, yes, on local social media pages or Craigslist.org. You're welcome. The next one on my list here is to become a grant writer. Hey, non-profits, universities, hospitals, and other community organizations have a great need for grant money to supplement their budgets, but grants are notoriously tricky to write for the first time. If you have experience writing grants, or you are willing to learn how to do it by practicing your skills without paying for a few non-profits, then you can start a lucrative freelance grant writing business. Yes, according to eHow, grant writers can make anything from $40,000 to $67,000. Consider it as an opportunity. The next one on my list here is to teach music lessons. Yes, so guys, teaching piano or guitar or violin or singing lessons out of your house is a well-established way for stay-at-home spouses to make a little extra cash. If Lois Griffin can do it, anyone that has that is musically inclined can do it as an entrepreneur. While you teach music lessons, you can teach it in person. Quite a few websites also helps you market your services and even teach music lessons online. I'm telling you. So besties, you can tutor and take lessons. Now, the next one on my list is to use your language skills. Yeah, so to translate. Do you know a second language or even a third language? Do you know you can make a living at home translating documents? Yes. Also note that many translators work on a freelance basis. So it's possible that you can create a translation business, then complete one-off work for a variety of clients. Starting a translation business can be easy. It can be as easy as creating a basic website to advertise your services. You could also reach out to businesses in your area that might require translation from one language to another, or you can try networking in fields of business that you believe may benefit from your future. The next one on my list here is to leverage your graphic design skills. Hey, are you a graphic designer? Businesses always need graphic designers to help them convey information visually through logos, advertisements, posters, websites, and so on. It is possible to be an entirely self-taught graphic designer. Most have either a certification or a degree. I mean, other than the cost of design software, this business has very little overhead and it can be done anywhere with a dedicated computer. If you have the type of graphic design skills that businesses are looking for and you have the resources to buy the software that you need to get started, this might be the home-based business idea for you. I mean, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, graphic designers have a median salary of $52,110. Do you know that you can also start to make money from the comfort of your home working as a video editor? And I'm going to share a secret with you guys today. As a video editor, if you have a knack for editing videos, you can turn it into a full-time income. Yes, video editors, they are making good money because they can work for different clients at home from the comfort of their home. Yeah, without stressing. They set their work hours. You can work, sleep, eat, and then continue working at your convenience. You don't have to deal with traffic issues and stuff like that. Here is what you need to do. As a video editor, you can go to websites like Upwork.com, like like Fiverr.com and advertise your services. You can even go on Facebook and request that if people need services of video editors, you are more than happy to do it for them. And as a matter of fact, content creators like me, we need video editors every single time. So reach out to content creators. You just never know. Yes, I mean, video editing helps us to, focus more on the creativity. On the creative part of our jobs. And for us, for me, let me speak for myself. For me, editing my videos is counterproductive, for me. So I'd better, outsource that bit to someone else, so that I can maximize my own potential to the maximum. So yes, that is one amazing way to also make money from the comfort of your home, and you can make good money editing videos. If you don't know how to edit videos, I have a solution for you. Come closer. Come closer. Go ahead and join. If you're a Christian, well, this applies to people who are Christians. If you're a Christian, go to your local church. Join your media team and learn. They will be willing to teach you for free. Learn how to edit videos professionally with your local church. Then start to edit their videos for them and see how well you're growing. See how better you can get, And then while you're editing for your church for free, you can be making money on the side. Yes, and make a full-time income, not just a side hustle. You can actually make a living from editing videos. Yes, especially for content creators, because it's a huge market for you guys. Yes, if you are a video editor, you just target content creators. Content creators who don't have a goal or who don't know what they're doing. Content creators who are strategic with what they do. Those ones will definitely, hire video editors to complete that bit. Like I said, for me, it's counterproductive. So yes, targeting content creators is something that would really, really help boost your business as a videographer. So yes, that is it for today. And here is how to enter for my own giveaway. All you need to do is this: go ahead and add 50 people to my Telegram channel. We have finally launched our Telegram community. Just click on the link, is right in the description as well as in the comments. So all you need to do is add 50 of your friends. But this is how to get it done real fast. Let me give you the tip. Go ahead and add about 500 of your friends. Add 500 to 1,000 of your friends. Don't just drop the links in front of them. Tell them why they should join my Telegram channel. It is free of charge. And then I provide valuable resources. I share valuable content in my Telegram community. So yes, you can use that. You can pitch that to them. And before you know it, you get your $100. Yes, I'll be sending you $100 cash gift. And I'm going to send you through, yes, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, and what else? Yeah, and through Western Union money transfer as well. So yes, go ahead and share my Telegram link and be on your way to making money. You're welcome. So at this point, I want to say a big thank you. Yes, a huge thank you to my Patreon community, my Patreon family. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. If you have any question for me, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. I'm working for you guys day and night. Go ahead and let me know what you want to see more of on this channel. Your wish is my command. You already know by now that I'm working for you guys. Do well to introduce yourself in case you have not introduced yourself yet. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you for real. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? I'd like to know your meter, where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. There are no stupid questions on this channel, so please feel free to express yourself every single time on this channel. I am constantly working for you guys day and night, and that is it, guys, for today. Hopefully, I will see you in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparking. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing. You're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.